Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, very quickly, I will show you how to join a Roblox server called Grow a Garden. So guys, very easy. Just type in this prompt in Google, basically for the Grow a Garden Discord. And as you can see, the first thing that you will have, this is going to be our Discord. Also guys, make sure that you have either your Discord and your account logged in the web version, or you're logged in the desktop version, so you can actually join this server with your account, right? So if, for example, I go here and I choose join the server, I will be joining as a guest. But if you want to join as your actual account, make sure that you're logged in. So that's very easy, guys. If you already have an account logged in the web or in your system, so just basically press on join. As you can see, in my case, I don't have an account tied to this browser. So this is your end game. Just click continue with your account, and now you're joined. Very easy, guys. Enjoy and have fun on this server. Hopefully this helps you out, and I will see you very soon, guys.